Freiburg, Germany's most underrated gem. Imagine a place where sun-kissed streets, ancient history, and modern sustainability come together in exquisite harmony. Welcome to Freiburg, Germany's best-kept secret. Nestled in the southwest, this city dazzles with its medieval charm and eco-conscious spirit, offering travelers an unforgettable journey into the past and future. Step onto Freiburg's cobblestone streets and be transported over 900 years into the past. Explore the majestic Freiburg Minster Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece. Climbing its spire rewards you with breathtaking views that stretch for miles, capturing the essence of this captivating city. Freiburg's iconic Beckel, small water channels weaving through streets, add a whimsical touch to your visit. Legend promises that a step into these waters ensures your return to the city, a promise you'll happily embrace as you savor the city's charming ambience. Embrace the green heart of Freiburg, Germany's eco-capital. Renowned for sustainability, the city features energy-efficient architecture and a vast network of cycling paths. Here, green living is more than a trend. It's a lifestyle that shapes the community and inspires visitors. Just beyond the city, the Black Forest beckons with trails and panoramic vistas. Whether hiking, skiing, or simply relishing the tranquil beauty, the forest offers an escape into nature for every type of adventurer, making Freiburg a gateway to outdoor paradise. Indulge in Freiburg's culinary delights at bustling markets filled with fresh produce and regional specialties like Black Forest cake. As musicians fill the air with melodies, every bite and note enhances the city's vibrant atmosphere, bringing joy to every traveler. Freiburg isn't just a destination, it's a transformative experience. Here, life glows a little brighter, greener, and more magical. Dive into this hidden gem and let it change how you see the world. Like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Your Freiburg story awaits.